Hi there mga beloved ko soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tara Channel. May kami shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakasubaybay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo pong ating video ngayon, ay po kayo mahingang mag-subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, please do follow sa ating legit lang po na TikTok account na Ransom Taro 444. If you want to build a private reading, mag-send po kayo ng message sa ating TikTok account. Hindi po ko yung unang mag-send sa inyo ng message sapagkat naglipahan na po ngayon ang mga scammer, mga nagpapanggap po, nag-re-upload ng videos natin sa doble ingat po kayo. Ang ating po palang reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay isang timeless reading para sa ating mapinakamahal na nasa sign ng Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Pag sinabi po natin timeless reading ay no pressure at all. Kahit kailan nyo po ito mapanood, next week, next month, or even next year, ibig sabihin po ay para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading na ito. Okay? So, sige Gemini, kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha para sa iyong timeless reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give me 10 cards for Gemini. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Thank you so much po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi niyo po kinihiwan. Maraming salamat po. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, last 2 cards please for Gemini. Okay. Sige, Gemini, your 10 cards are now complete. I know that you're so excited. Wag natin pang patagalin pa ito. Gemini, for your opening card para sa timeless reading, we have here the Four of Cups. I can see her. I can feel an energy of, parang may inaantay kang you're expecting help or you're expecting an offer. Okay, may nakikita tayong like, a job offer, a business opportunity for you, or maybe the best energy that I can feel here is that you are waiting for a help. May tulong kang ina-expect, or if you're not waiting for it, at least expect a help na parating kusa ito. Okay, but there's someone na tao na parating sa'yo na mag-offer ng or mag-extend ng help for you because Gemini, I know that you're in a situation that you are looking or you need help as of the moment. Pangalawang mong baraha is strength. So, strength is about holding on. So, maybe Gemini, if you're in a situation that you want to give up, or you are in a situation that you feel everything is hopeless or wala nang sense para sa iyo, this is not the best time to kumbaga surrender your sword. So, big sabihin nito Gemini, with the strength card here, the universe is telling you to be strong, to still move forward despite of all the uncertainties in life. Maybe you're questioning your worth, maybe you don't understand everything as of the moment, but believe me, with the strength card here, you need to move forward. Okay, it's not easy, as I said. Hindi madali ang lahat, of course, but at least a small act of, kumbaga, ipakita mo na kaya mo pa, magtutuloy-tuloy ito. Okay? So, this is not the best time to give up, Gemini. Pangatlo mong barahan, look at this one. We have here the World card. So, after all this never-ending cycle of frustrations, paulit-ulit na lang itong mga disappointments, betrayal, pananakit, panluloko, mga problema, feeling mo walang progress ang buhay mo. So after this cycle, the World card signifies the energy that I can feel there's something new talaga na parating sa Gemini. So this new world that will be opening for you is like you're going to harness it in the way that this is the world that you really wanted. Ito yung align ka dito. Ito yung align yung path mo, yung skills mo, or maybe if you're feeling down, if you're feeling frustrated and disappointed, or nalilito ka as of the moment, it's because you are being prepared for this something big, something extraordinary, a new chapter that will unfold in your life. This world card, Gemini, believe me, is like a new start, a refresh. Walang masama sa magsisimula muli. But as long as this new beginning will give you the peace of mind, will give you the happiness, and so this is the one. Okay, this is worth it na muli kang magsimula, Gemini. Sige, pang-apat mong baraha, Gemini, is, look at this Knight of Cups. So this is victory. This is success for you. Sabi ko nga, this is not the best time to give up because there's a victory. There's a good news. There is an abundance and prosperity waiting for you at the end. But Gemini, this is not an overnight success. You need to go through battles. You need to go through hardships and work hard for it. Hindi mo pwedeng papetex-petex lang na mag-aantay ka lang ng grasya, ng himala. Okay, kailangan mo itong samahan ng sipag. And manifestation works on those people that the universe saw it as like, people who are sincere and really goal-oriented. Hindi yung parang sa una lang, then later on wala na. Walang consistency. So Gemini, focus on your goal. So manifest it. Don't be bothered. Don't be distracted with a lot of things around you. So may victory and success that is waiting for you here at the end, Gemini. Paglima mong baraha para sa timeless reading. I feel so good with this reading. So, look, you have here the temperance. Habaan pa ng konti ang pasensya. So, this is, sabi ko nga, ulitin ko, this is not the end pa, Gemini, for you. Maybe ulitin ko, if you're questioning your worth, if you're questioning what's happening on your situation right now. So, everything will make sense later. But with the temperance card here, this is also a signal or a message that you are divinely protected. So, with the temperance card here, so you need to habaan pa talaga yung pasensya. Tsagain pa ito. Okay? So, magtiwala pa. Huwag kang susuko. With the temperance card here, the universe is telling you na, oops, hindi pa. Nagsisimula pa nga lang yan. So, I know that kayang-kaya mo ito. Okay? So, just calm your nerves. I know hindi madali na sabihin ko na huwag kang mag-give up because iba-ibang sitwasyon ng tao. But Gemini, tell me, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? Walang bagyo na forever. So, it will always last or titigal talaga yan. So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards, Gemini, kapag nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, please do follow. Thank you so much po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala suporta. So, na-fully book po tayo for the past 2 weeks sa ating private reading. So, thank you so much po sa mga nag-uulit, pabalik-balik po na nagpapa-reading. Thank you so much po sa recommendations. Please, hindi po ako yung unang mag-message po sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. Kayo po ang mag-chat po sa ating TikTok account. Mag-ingat po kayo sa mga scammer na nag-offer ng ganito, nag-re-upload ng videos natin at nagkakaya ng ating account, please. So legit lang po kayo with almost 9,000 followers, Renzo Taro 444. Sige, Gemini, let's continue your timeless reading with your 6th card, which is 9 of Cups. This is wish fulfillment. Wish being granted. So sabi ko nga, look at this one. May offer, may tulong. Itong pinagpipray mo, minamanifest mo na tulong na hinahanap mo, inihingi mo, or maybe a sudden opportunity that will come for you will be very positive talaga. There's a good news here. There's a wish or prayer that will be granted. Believe me, Gemini. Okay, that's why I want you to relax. I want you to tanggalin yung mga takot. Tanggalin mo yung mga pangamba, mga pagdududa sa puso at isipan mo because help is on the way. There's good news. May parating na magandang balita, may tulong talaga, may blessing for you, Gemini, that is talagang you truly deserved. Sige? Pampito, wow. The sun is here. The cards are very clear. Sabi ko nga with the strength card here, this is not the best time to give up. You need to be patient. You need to be strong. You need to move forward whether you like it or not. Kailangan mo tulungan ang sarili mo. The Sun card is here. It signifies hope. May pag-asa pa, Gemini. There's still, sabi ko nga, may light at the end of the tunnel pa rin. All of these things that are happening as of now para sa Gemini is just a preparation, sabi ko. This will be a blessing in disguise for you. Later on, you will realize, kaya pala nangyaring lahat. With the Sun card here, I can see hope. Okay? So, kung mapapanood mo to, this is not the best time, Gemini. I'm telling you again, paulit-ulit na lang. Please, stay on your lane. Kung yung iba nakikita mo na parang they at the edge of giving up, so ikaw wag. Stay. Umulan, umaraw, mainitan ka lang, kailangan pa rin mag-consistent. Okay, dyan ka matetest, Gemini. But the Sun card is here, hope. There's still hope. There's good news that is coming for you, believe me. Ang kaganda ng mga baraha. Tower. Kung may new world na parating, kung may bagong simula na parating sa'yo, of course, merong mga matatapos. The world, a certain situation will collapse for you. This is not a bad card because those problems, those uncertainties, yung mga takot mo, mga problema mo na bumabagabag sa isipan mo, yun yung matatapos na, yun yung magko-collapse. For you to be prepared sa muling pagsisimula sa buhay mo with this world card, the new beginning for you na nag-aantay. Tingnan mo kung gaano ka-connected ang mga baraha. May tower, may magtatapos, may mawawala. which is the disappointments, mga problema, mga iniisip mo, mga takot mo, ang papalitan yan with the world card here. So the cards are very clear that you're going to start all over again. Gemini, claim mo na ito. So, walang masama magsimula muli. Ganun talaga, wala tayong magagawa nangyari ng mga bagay-bagay. May nawala man, may masakit man ang paraan, but still, we need to move forward. That's how the universe works. So, natatawa na lang ako. The cards are very clear here. Tower, death, ending, closure. There's a really situation in your life. Toxicities, negativities, unhealthy relationship, unhealthy friendship, okay? Toxic na environment sa workplace, mga problema, mga utang, financial struggles. So that is about to end. Nauutal pa ako sa excitement. So with the death card here, ang katapat niya Knight of Cups, papalitan niya ng victory. Papalitan niya ng success and good news. Here you are. That's why I'm telling you, you need to work hard. You need to be patient. Kasi kung magmamadali ka, Gemini, of course, hindi mo makikita ang resulta. Okay, hindi mo makikita ang bunga. With the death card here, so tatapusin ni universe ang lahat ng mga bumabagapag sa puso at isipan mo. Papalitan siya ng victory. So that's why you need to hold on. Bahala ka. Pag mag-give up ka, Gemini, hindi mo makikita yung prize, okay, at the end. I'm so happy with this card, this reading. 10th and last card mo, Gemini, for your timeless reading. Look at this one. Panapos mong barahan sa celebration card. Temperance, you need to hold on. Habaan mo pang pasensya mo. Okay? Kailangan mo pang balansehin ang lahat. Sabi ko nga, this is not the best time to give up. Walang susuko. May celebration tayo nakikita dito. At the end, everything will be worth it. Mapapalitan to, lahat ng sakripisyo mo, lahat ng problema mo, lahat ng pagtangis mo, lahat ng frustrations and disappointments mo, mapapalitan ng celebration. Three of Cups, there will be celebration. You will be regaining your happiness. You will be regaining the peace of mind that nawala sa'yo for a long time. And you truly deserve this renewal. Okay? This recovery na talagang parating para sa inyo. I-claim mo na ito. And this is a very beautiful, very hopeful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasasign ng Gemini makapanood ito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga Gemini kong soulmates sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel. Nasa mga kayo naroroon, ano mga ginagawa niyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.